The Ghost 3.5 trigger control connector is a stainless steel tab internally fitted on your Glock that shortens and lightens your pistol's trigger response. The easy-to-install drop-in connector lowers a Glock's trigger pull weight to 3.5 pounds for competition and sporting use. There are no screws to come loose and to jam your gun, and you do not have to buy a trigger housing. The Ghost 3.5 tabs come factory polished, resulting in the smoothest possible contact surface and a consistent trigger pull every time. According to Ghost, no other process, including plating, produces less friction between contact points on your finger. The connector is made in the USA, and like all products sold by Brownells, the Ghost 3.5 trigger control connector is backed by our 100% unconditional lifetime satisfaction guarantee.